Hi, my name is Scott Greenwald from JoomlaDirect.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install Joomla 2.5 on your local computer. I'm going to download the Joomla install file, so head on over to joomla.org, hit this big giant yellow download button, find the install package that you need, and press download. So go ahead and copy that zip file you just downloaded to the location where you're going to be running your Joomla site. I run everything inside of my sites folder. And go ahead and unzip the zip file. Probably going to want to do this, just copy everything that you just unzipped into the main folder and delete the files we don't need, the zip file and the folder, the empty folder. Okay, next we need to create an empty database, an empty MySQL database. So I use MAMP. I'm on a Mac. You can go ahead and just do a Google search for MAMP and download it and configure it. Or if you're on Windows, you can install something like XAMPP, X-A-M-P-P. You're basically looking for a simple way to run an Apache server on your local host and create a MySQL database. On my computer, MAMP is set to load on port 8888. And when we go to the MAMP start page, you get to a page like this. We'll go ahead to the PHP MyAdmin and create an empty database for our Joomla install. You can name it anything you want. Just go ahead and press create. There we go. Next step, in your browser window, go to your local host, port 8888, if you're on port 8888, that is. And we'll go to the folder where we just unzipped our Joomla files. And voila, we have the Joomla install screen. So it's pretty straightforward from here. Just follow the steps. We're going to be installing in English today. The pre-installation check, just make sure you don't have too much red going on here on the screen. If you're on your local host, you'll probably see almost the same thing you're looking at here. Okay, the database, step 4. We're going to enter the username for our local database. MAMP is always going to be root for the username and password, and our database name. Joomla is going to create a random table prefix here. Okay, this next step is completely optional. Step 5, FTP configuration. And actually, I don't even need to explain what this is for. Most people are not going to use it. So we can skip that. Main site configuration, step 6. Our site name, I'll just make up a name here. Joomla 2.5 demo. The info on this screen is editable on the back end. Alright, this next step is totally up to you if you want to install the sample data. If you're new to Joomla, installing the sample data is a good way to get around in Joomla and figure out what's going on. It's going to install a bunch of sample articles and categories and templates, and I recommend it. It's pretty good. If you don't want all that stuff, if you want a really blank vanilla Joomla site with nothing on it, then you don't have to press the install sample data button. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to press install sample data. Alright, on to the last step. And this last step is really important, hence all of the red. So we want to remove the installation folder. You can do that manually or just press this button right here. Bam! It's removed. And there we have it. Joomla 2.5 has been installed. Let's take a look at the front end. Wow! Shiny. Neat. Cool. There we have all of our sample data, and let's take a look at the back end. Joomla 2.5 admin panel. All there is to installing Joomla 2.5. It was pretty simple, wasn't it? If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and check out joomladirect.com for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.